Thermalwood Canada is all about sharing stories of people that we work with. So today we're at Impression Printing with Roger. You've got a new piece of equipment. Why don't you tell us all about it, Roger, and what you're doing with this?
This is our new laser printer. What we can do is we can cut pretty much anything except glass and metal. We can etch on metal, etch on glass, and of course right now we're doing some wood, one of your boards, and it will etch. We can cut up to 3/8 thick, and then if we want to go thicker, we just go more than once on the job. But it does. We had it for 2 weeks right now, and we still enjoy it quite nicely right now. So we're experimenting, but now we got to start making money on it there, because it's a $30,000 machine.
That's the whole thing. This is beautiful. If you want to move in, Jonathan, look at this a little bit closer. Roger, can you start this thing up and show people how it works? That's pretty amazing. You can sit here all day and watch this thing go.
Technology today.
Yeah, exactly. And what you're doing here is you're printing the logo of Thermalwood Canada on top of a cutting board that was made by Dale Schmear. We got most of it all done. We just got the Canada part left to do. It'll just take a few minutes here to get that done. But again, this is another story of stuff that can be done in Bathurst.
Yeah, we are doing everything in Bathurst.
You were mentioning something the other day too, that stamps and stuff that people have.
Yep, self-stamp from. I don't know anybody else who's manufacturing in New Brunswick right now. I think we're the only one. But you can order that anywhere, but nobody's manufacturing here in New Brunswick.
No.
So
well, that's great.
We'll be online. Stuff. Yeah, we'll be online, and
so stuff that you do with accounting firms and lawyers and stuff like that on seals are all things that you could do.
Yeah.
So I'm sure that'll bring clientele.
We hope so.
All over the place. This is amazing.
Yeah, she's almost done right now.
There we go. Check this out when you get closer. This is a really amazing look. That looks beautiful, Roger. Well, listen, it was great being here today. I want to thank you very much again for
I thank you.
giving us a short story that we can tell with the rest of our friends.
Exactly.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.